This is a review of the 4-pack towels, and the brand sent this to me so I can do a review. And these are so cute. This is a 4-pack and it comes vacuum sealed. And so be very, very careful when opening these because you don't want to cut the towel, okay? And this is a beautiful shade of gray. 100% cotton. There are 4 towels in here. And they are very good hand size. I will be washing these next to see how they fluff up. Okay, so we washed and dried these hand towels and they're so soft and they are very absorbent and we absolutely love them.